Ordered today, delivered tomorrow. Very normal nowadays. That is why an optimal flow in the production process is more important than ever. PROPOS is a software solution for production scheduling, shop floor control, and optimizing production processes. Ideally suited if you work with a high variety of products and you have difficulty scheduling the production. As soon as a production order is created in your ERP system, PROPOS does all scheduling and navigation of the production orders until the very moment that the production order is completed and on time. Per production cell, the screen shows which orders are currently in production, which orders are in the buffer, waiting to be processed, and which orders will arrive soon. These overviews are always up to date. The order with the highest priority is always at the top. PROPOS monitors progress and warns when a production order is in danger of falling behind schedule. The workload is balanced in real time, which improves the flow of production orders and reduces lead times. Thanks to real-time insight, everyone in your company knows where each production order is located and what the status is per production cell. This way you can see potential problems coming and take action. PROPOS can automatically distribute the workload on the long run so that the production keeps running smoothly and less overtime is needed. PROPOS offers many insights and data statistics. PROPOS offers a company-wide solution for production scheduling, shop floor control and supervision, and process optimization. Do you work in a high-variety production environment where change is the only constant? Then PROPOS software is the solution you're looking for.